What's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to download and install MySQL Server and Workbench. So let's get into it. First of all, open your web browser and type MySQL. Then click downloads. Then scroll a little bit and click MySQL Community Downloads. Then click MySQL Installer for Windows. So I have included the link in the description below. So click that link and come directly to this page. So the newest version is 8.038 and click download the second option, which is the install community installer, and the upper one is the web community. So I suggest you must install the community version for your computer. So click download, then click no thanks, just start my download. Then there you go guys, now it's downloading. It will take like few minutes according to your internet speed. Double click on your installer and open it. Preparing to install. Give the administrator permissions. Click yes. Again, if it asks for administrator permissions, click yes. Now we have opened the MySQL installer. In this radio buttons, click custom, then click next. Now we have got few options. We must expand this, expand until you come right here. Then click this arrow and then go to applications. Under applications, MySQL Workbench, which is an GUI for working with the MySQL server. Expand it until you get here, then click this arrow. Now this is the required products, then click next. So this is the path that I have selected, the C program. I don't suggest changing that. So then click next. Yes. Now click execute. Now they are going to install the MySQL server and the MySQL Workbench. Click execute. It will take few minutes. So guys, now you can see that these two products have been installed to my computer. Then click next. Now it's product configuration time. So click next. And guys, make sure to write down the port number. And I don't recommend changing these names. Just make sure to write down the port number. Then click next. So these are some guidelines for using a strong password. Then click next. And also guys, make sure to remember this password, because each and every time you create a database you need this password. So make sure that you write a good password as well as make sure to remember that. So guys, after writing a good password, click next. So These ticks say that start the MySQL server at system startup. When you turn on the computer, the MySQL server is going to start up. So you can change these settings from the Windows. So I recommend that you go with these configured settings. Then click next. And also we are granting the full access for Windows service to run these things. So I say just keep as it is and then click next. And these are the all configurations. Then click execute, apply these changes and click next, execute. There I go, all the configurations are executing one by one. It will take like few minutes. And now we have successfully installed the MySQL server as well as the workbench. So click finish, click next and tick start MySQL workbench after setup. Click finish. Now there you go guys. Now this is the MySQL workbench that we have installed. Now I'm going to create a small project and guys enter the password that you have entered in the setup. And also click save password in the vault so that you guys don't need to again and again enter the same password when accessing this database. Then click OK. So guys, basically this is the workbench that we are going to writing queries and all, creating databases and everything. So that's it guys. Make sure to like this video and see you guys from another video. Thank you guys.